This is the access point. New carpet, floor coverings, please. This is where our furnace sits. Uncased coil. And replace switch on the side of furnace. Vent pipe, obviously. New gas shutoff. Y looks to be in good shape back there. Our humidifier works, but if you could clean it up before you put it back together, that'd be awesome. We're thinking about moving the air conditioner. Currently, it goes to the backyard, up through there. Our electrical panels on the other side of this wall. What we want to do is move it over here somewhere.